All right, class. Does everyone have their art projects to take home?
No, I've got mine.
Yeah, look, me too. I made the hair. See, I made the hair.
Out of yarn.
All right, see you tomorrow.
I used yarn.
Oh, hello, Louie.
Elmo. Hey, son. Did you have a good day?
I also
Look,
made
Emma
the
will
nose.
show you how it dances. See?
Oh, yeah, that's cool.
He gets so excited.
Oh, yes. That's actually something I wanted to talk to you about.
Oh, well, sure, Miss Jennifer. I'm always happy to hear how Elmo is doing in class.
Oh, he loves learning. Elmo has so much excitement in him that, well, sometimes he can't wait to share what he's thinking.
Isn't that a good thing?
Oh, at times, yes, it's wonderful. But there are other times when Elmo is so excited to talk that he interrupts when others are speaking. Have you noticed that at home?
I don't think so. In our home, Elmo's voice sure does fill up the room. But we like to hear what he has to say, and we want him to share with us how he's feeling and what he
Daddy,
discovered.
look, you want to see it dance?
Yeah, that's very nice. So, as I was saying...
You know, Elmo made googly eyes for us. See, he put googly eyes. Isn't it funny how they move around?
Yeah, I see it. It's funny. So, anyway...
Elmo's going to show everybody the funny googly eyes. Hey, everybody!
I see what you mean.
Maybe you and I could work together to help Elmo understand the difference between a right now kind of comment and a it can wait kind of comment.
Oh, absolutely. We are on the same team.
Right. Team Elmo. I'm sure that we can.
Daddy, hi.
Excuse me, Elmo. Miss Jennifer and I are talking for one more minute. Is there something that you have to tell me right now, or can it wait till we're done talking?
Oh, well, it can wait. Elmo just wanted to tell you how he made the arms out of, what are these called again?
We can talk about that later after I'm done talking with Miss Jennifer, all right?
All right, sure.
Team Elmo?
Team Elmo.
Yeah.